core strengthening seems to be a buzzword we hear all the time. And just because we do a particular exercise that might be beneficial to the core doesn't mean that it's going to help if we don't do it correctly. One of the things that I want to talk about, and we're going to do a series of these little mini videos of what is neutral spine and how do we strengthen the core properly. That's going to help both for safety and reduce lifting injuries, as well as help with athleticism and movement patterns and explosiveness. So what is neutral spine? Neutral spine is pretty much the normal curve of the lumbar spine. So if we were to look at the back from the side, or the spine from the side view, the neck curves kind of like C-shape, the mid-back curves the opposite way, and then the low back curves like the neck does. And those are important curves. If we were to hold a line to this, and we were to use this lumbar curve we're going to call neutral spine, if we were to look at this gap, this line should hit between the shoulder blades and should hit the lower part of the sacrum. This is called neutral spine, and we should be able to do any activity, jumping, landing, sitting, bending, everything in neutral spine, and that includes the core exercises. When we talk about core strengthening, when we talk about a strong back, and we talk about a strong abdomen, it is not to be the movers, it is to be the supporters, kind of guide wires to this spine. And oftentimes we'll see good exercises done incorrectly. And although you may not be symptomatic when you're doing it, you're not going to be helping yourself in the future if we do it incorrectly. So that's kind of why we want to show you this. But it doesn't limit you from doing anything, you just have to do it correctly. So again, neutral spine is this curve that should be maintained through any range of motion and doesn't prevent any activity. What we'll do here is, with the next series of videos, is to go through, further explain this, and then how do we apply it to sitting, bending, lifting, and normal daily activities.